Hey, what's up, Katie? It's Corey here. I'm just going to shoot over those three free tips for you. The three things that I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. Before I go into that, one thing I would recommend doing on your site, I would do a big call out right here, like a percentage off, money off, free estimate, something like that. Just helps people navigate where to go. But anyway, I do like the layout of your site. So the first thing I do want to go over is content. So I would actually beef this up. I like to be around 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on my site. Plus, you need enough content in there so that way we can layer other keywords layer those keywords on what people are actually searching for. Even the images, what they're saved as, it all matters. You can actually put a buying intent keywords back there. That'll make a big difference with your rankings. Now, if I go to heating repair Sacramento, this is what you're gonna pop up every time. You got these Google guarantees up at the top. These are actually brand new to Google. A lot of business owners got so sick of those spammy phone calls, so Google came up with these Google guarantees to help weave out some of that spam calls. Right underneath the Google guarantees, you got an old school traditional ad. They actually put the ads up there and also down here at the bottom as well, which a lot of people have been going away with those ads because of all those spammy phone calls that have been coming in. So this right here, this is this little map section. Really, to get the rankings in this section right here is really going to be dealing with what's called a citation. What a citation is just a business directory with your business name, address, and phone number listed on it. So what we'd want to do is go get those same citations that your competitors have, but we don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well. So that way we're always outranking our competition. Citations come around as like Facebook, LinkedIn, you got BBB, Yelp, City Star, Local Best. There's thousands of them out there, by the way. Underneath that little map section is really going to be, this is all the organic traffic that happens. And to get the rankings here really comes down to that high quality content, how much detailed information in what you're giving the general public, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from another website linking back to your website that's just ultimately pushing power back to it. Now, not all backlinks are actually created equal. If I go ahead and take your URL and actually stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is a tool that lets me see what happens behind the scenes of websites. And right now you got you're being tracked for 26 referring domains, which is pushing back 109 backlinks. In total, you're getting found for 221 keywords, and in total, you're getting about 60 clicks to your site every month. Looks like you started working this back in 2013 or so, and back in 2019, you had a really big climb in your backlinking journey, and a lot of those fell off in December, early of 2020 of this year. But anyway, if we go inside your keywords, we can actually see those 60 clicks. What keywords are actually clicking on? This is really what people are searching for. You got your name for a lot of it. So we got heating and cooling supply, Sacramento. There's 60 clicks. Let's apply though. Heating and air conditioning, Sacramento, CA, 20 clicks every month. 18th position right there. Emergency AC repair service, 80 clicks every month. You're missing all the traffic. Sacramento heating and air conditioning, another 20 clicks every month. AC repair. Let's show you one of your competitions, what they're doing right now. This is Jaguar Heating and Air. If we stick them inside of Ahrefs, I just want to do a quick overview. So they got 121 referring domains, which is pushing back 382 backlinks. They got 517 keywords, and so in total they're getting 242 clicks to their site every month. And if we go inside those keywords on where those clicks are coming from, they got their name at the top, but then we got the HVAC Sacramento. There's 200 clicks right there. They're getting a little bit of traffic. They're 7th position on that one keyword. There's a 3rd position right here, heating and cooling Sacramento, CA. There's 20 clicks there. HVAC Sacramento, CA, another 70 clicks. heating repair Sacramento, another 100 clicks. So if you can imagine being on that that second, first position and grabbing, you know, a good 20% of these clicks, that'll make a huge difference in the quality of work that's coming through your door, and just being on that organic section without running all these ads and things like that. But anyway, if you see any value or think I might have some tricks up my sleeve to help you out, feel free to give me a call back. I'd love to chat with you more. My number is 702-292-0810, or at least apply these 3 free tips for yourself. Thanks so much.